Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Deja. If you're not new, let's get into organizing my lifestyle. These are the 3 small basket organizers that I've been using for over a year now. I got the baskets at Dollar Tree for $1. I went with the white instead of the black ones. I use this basket for hair stuff. I use this basket for hygiene like toothpaste and face mask applier. I use this basket for other stuff that I don't need to use at that moment. Now, in order for these baskets to hang up on the wall, I use thumbtacks that I got from Dollar Tree to hang them up. Also, these white hooks that I got from Walmart for $1.97, including the tacks. It also screws into the wall. I also cut out the shape of the bottom of the basket onto a cardboard cereal box, so that way, as you see, it won't be no spillage or anything. It'd be good to go to be used. So this is my 3 basket organizer that I love so much. Let's get into the details. There is 2 hooks right here that are white and they screw into the wall. I got it from Walmart for $1.97. They also sell gold ones. So if you want to go to your Walmart local one and get you some, they're very awesome. I love them and I've been using them ever since. I like how stock up on them, so go get some. And they're really sturdy, as you can tell, because they hold all of this up, and they're only for $1.97, and they just screw into the wall. So go get you some. And then this level right here is only for bread, and to mention that the rope right here and this tie that's there to hold it level all together is I got the rope from Dollar Tree. And that's really about it. And then this level right here is just for vegetables and everything I want to put in there that contains that category. And then right here is a basket that actually hold a actual turkey. So I took it off the turkey and then I used that for my lettuce. It's been washed and disinfected. So I use it for my lettuce to wash my lettuce inside that, and then after I dry it out within that container holder. And then after the level right here is only for bags only. So that's how that part looks. And these right here, I use these to seal and hold all my chip bags. So after I get done with the bag and I want to eat all the chips and I'm done for right now, then I will put this clip onto that. And it's also an office supply. So you can get it at your local Dollar Tree for $1 in a pack of them. I don't know how many packs there is, but you can get from your local Dollar Tree. So go look it up, and so go look up your local Walmart and Dollar Tree and get these items. And I'll have a description down below of what everything came from. Also in this little clip right here in this video of what I got everything from, and showing the arrows of what everything is from. And that's the whole top from bottom of the end results of the 3 basket organizer. These are the 2 plastic bag containers that I've been using for over a year now. I'm so glad I thought of this idea. And this is actually a Powerade bottle that I recycled. And the top part of it is cut off with an X-Acto knife to make it into a lid. Go back. These bags, they're in size container, came from Dollar Tree for $1, and they come in 3 sizes and 3 colors. And if you want to use them to soak your food for you to go back to eating your food when you're not done with it, put these bags on there. Trust me, your food will be fresh for you to eat again. And it comes in this orange color, which means small. This is the blue color and it comes in a medium size. This is the white and it comes in a large size. So go to your local Dollar Tree and get these plastic bags. I know they're plastic, but they help seal up your food for you to eat your food fresh yet again. Trust me, it will save your eating ways when you want to eat your food. Because who wants your food to be fresh when you want to eat again? Trust me, it will save you some time. This plastic bag container actually was a gallon of juice. I just recycled the container and got an X-Acto knife, cut the top part of the container, and just stuffed my bags inside of it. And it actually has been working for me, like I've been saying through this whole entire video, over a year. So please try this idea. It really helps. You just get all your plastic bags around your house, because that's what I came to the idea, because I had a situation before. In the back of this is actually, for me to hold it up, is actually command strips or foam mounting tape. So please use this idea. I hope it really helps you, because I've been there so many times with the plastic bags laying all around your house. I've been there. I know. That's why I came up with this idea for me and for you. So try it out, please. So the back of this, I ended up screwing it, because before then I had foam mounting tape and command strip like the other right here container has in the back of it. So I decided for this container one, for my small bags, I just screwed into the wall, and it's been holding up for a year now. So just do this tip or idea, and these will really help you so much. Basically, it was a trial and error. That one's for command and foam tape, and this one's just me screwing into the wall. Like I said, trial and error. And now we got it. And now I can have these lasting for a year. These been up here for a year, guys. So trust and believe what I've been doing in my steps, and what I'm telling you right now actually has really been helping. So try it out and let me know down below in the comments, and let me know what, if you're gonna do this idea, and how's it going for you. I would love to hear your feedback, and please let me know yet again. Also, right here I got these little ties from off of bread or any like items you end up buying. They come on those, so I just used that randomly and got X-Acto knife, punched the holes right there as you see inside that, and then made it, really into an actual lid. So I take that tie off of it and it screws off, and I can stuff more bags in there and be ready, good to go yet again. So hope you love this idea. Like I said, let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna use this idea or not, and if you do, let me know how it turned out for you. Because who want all these plastic bags laying around your house? I don't. Let's get recycled and use this Powerade container. So reuse things that you have around the house. Don't let them go to waste, because you never know what they can turn out to be, as you see right now. Now this is a kitchen sink organizer. I got the item from Dollar Tree for $1, and the idea was like, I need all my brushes that I wash my dishes with. I need them all in one place, because they used to be all on my counter. Got tired of that. So hope this idea works for you. If it does, leave a comment down below and let me know if it does for you, and let me know how it turns out. And now, in order for me to hang this up on the wall, I did use a command strip. It came down, as you can kind of tell, and now I came with a conclusion of using thumbtacks or thumbnails, and I have one also on both sides of this kitchen organizer. So hopefully it works out for you if you decide to use this idea. If you do, leave a comment down below and let me know if you used it and how it did actually work out. Just look at Dollar Tree and get it, and it's actually a bath shower caddy that goes on your actual shower pipe. So, like I said, it's for $1. Go and use them, and they're very useful. So please try it out. This is over the door hooks. I got this item from Dollar Tree. So please go to your local Dollar Tree and get these items that I've been talking about throughout this video. But I use my oven mitts to hang this on, and now they have somewhere to place them. So in order for me to hold this item onto my actual cabinet, I got some wire pliers or cutters, and I just hold the item before then of placing onto my cabinet. I just squeeze the bottom of it really tight and try to get the shape of an actual cabinet, and then I place the item onto my cabinet and just went back and forth adjusting of how tight I want it to be. If it was actually tight enough for it to stay and last onto my actual cabinet. But I hope you actually do and try this out. If you do, please let me know, like I've been saying throughout this video. leave a comment down below and let me know if you tried this tip and item out. Good job. The pots and pans shelf organizer, I love it so much. But it was a random bookshelf, if you want to call this a bookshelf. I didn't know what to do it. I had got it from someone, so I decided to get this item right here from Walmart. And the end of the back of it that's actually been holding this up is actually ropes or twine that I hold it up with, so it can be more secure than just me slide onto the actual shelf itself. But this was originally supposed to be used for holding up your glasses, as you can see, for your wine glasses, champagne glasses. But I use it for both for my pots and pans and for my glasses as well, because they have hooks, as you see right here, that I hold my pots on. And I've been loving it ever since. So anytime I do my dishes, need to be clean, or I'm about to be using them, I just place them back up here and I grab them when I'm ready to go cook. So that's that level. The second level is for my skillets and pans that I normally use on a daily basis. So this is what I use it for, and I got these baskets right here. I got them actually from Dollar General, guys, for $6. I know it seems kind of expensive for $6 for each basket, but as you can tell, it's really been helping me put them together and not having to place them underneath the oven because I got tired of that situation. Third level is for baking products and glassware. I also got this basket from Walmart for $6. It only comes in a large, but it's for a actual shelf hanging organizer, as you can tell what it looks like. But the bottom part is just for me having dish detergent whenever I need it and other items that I want to get to right then if I need it. And that's really about it, guys. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Hope this video inspired you. Thank you for watching.